See the nature. What a beautiful it is. The wind is blowing. Nature has its own sound. Feel it. Love the nature. The poem Who Has Seen the Wind by Christina Rossetti questions whether anyone has seen the wind, concluding that no one has, but its presence is known by its effects on the leaves and trees. Let listen the poem Who Has Seen the Wind? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Thank you.